Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world, the If you've ever wondered what it feels like to travel like a VIP on wheels, this is exactly the kind of vehicle that defines that experience. At first glance, the exterior of this motorhome immediately stands out with its clean, premium design. The body looks sleek and modern, finished in a high-gloss white that reflects light beautifully, giving it a rich and elegant presence. The build quality feels extremely solid, and every line of the vehicle looks carefully crafted. The large windows not only enhance the design but also hint at the comfort waiting inside. Moving around the vehicle, you notice the attention to detail. From the LED lighting system to the aerodynamic shape, everything is designed to combine luxury with practicality. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Whether parked in a showroom or on the road, it grabs attention instantly. Now stepping inside, the real magic begins. The interior of this motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. High-quality leather seating, soft ambient lighting, and premium materials create a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. The layout is designed to maximize both comfort and space, making it perfect for long journeys. The living area is spacious and inviting. You get plush seating that feels incredibly comfortable, perfect for relaxing after a long day of travel. The lighting inside can be adjusted to create different moods, adding to the overall luxury experience. Everything feels thoughtfully placed, with no wasted space. The kitchen area is fully equipped and designed for convenience. You get modern appliances, sleek cabinets, and enough space to prepare meals comfortably. It doesn't feel cramped like traditional motorhomes. Instead, it gives you the feeling of a compact but high-end kitchen. Moving towards the sleeping area, the comfort level continues to impress. The bed is large and cozy, with high-quality materials that ensure a good night's sleep. Storage spaces are cleverly integrated, allowing you to carry everything you need without cluttering the space. The bathroom is another highlight. Clean, modern, and well-designed, it offers everything you need, from a proper shower setup to premium fittings. It feels more like a hotel bathroom than something inside a vehicle. When it comes to technology, this motorhome doesn't disappoint. Advanced control systems allow you to manage lighting, temperature, and other features easily. Everything is designed to make your journey smooth and stress-free. You also get entertainment options that make long trips enjoyable. Driving this kind of motorhome is surprisingly smooth. Despite its size, it feels stable and controlled on the road. The suspension system helps absorb bumps, making the ride comfortable for everyone inside. It's clear that performance has not been compromised for luxury. One of the biggest advantages of this motorhome is the freedom it offers. You are not limited by hotel bookings or fixed plans. You can travel wherever you want, whenever you want, while still enjoying top-level comfort. Of course, luxury like this comes at a price. This is not an entry-level motorhome. It is designed for those who want the best and are willing to invest in a premium lifestyle. But when you look at everything it offers, from design to comfort to technology, it truly justifies its position in the luxury segment. Overall, it delivers an exceptional experience. It combines style, comfort, and performance in a way that very few motorhomes can match. If luxury travel is your goal, this is definitely one of the finest options available.